Welcome to my software review. Today, we're diving into the world of Visionize AI, a groundbreaking tool that's redefining the landscape of design and content creation. Visionize AI is a game changer, offering a wide array of capabilities, including generating AI images, producing logos and graphics, creating AI videos and animations, and even inventing 4K HD images. It's a versatile tool that caters to a wide range of users, from affiliate marketers to local business owners. What sets Visionize AI apart is its commitment to democratizing creativity. With a free commercial license and a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee, users can capitalize on AI-generated visuals with peace of mind. Plus, it operates on a simple 4-step workflow, making content creation a breeze. Unlike traditional monthly subscriptions, Visionize AI offers unlimited access to features with a one-time payment, ensuring seamless operation and content creation flexibility across desktop and mobile devices. In essence, Visionize AI transcends the conventional boundaries of content creation, ushering in a new era of limitless creativity and efficiency powered by state-of-the-art AI technology. If you're looking to revolutionize your content creation process, Visionize AI is the tool for you.